Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shuaib. Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a visibility property in the WinCC OA SCADA. The visibility property help you show or hide the object on screen based on the real-time tag value or the conditions. In the SCADA system, the visibility is used to make an object visible or invisible depend on the tag or expression. For example, here in this tutorial video, we'll see once the motor is tripped, then it will show the red circle over the motor. So, for example, motor is running now, and if it's off, and now if my trip tag is active, now I want to show the red color over here to indicate the motor is tripped now. So we'll use the visibility property to visible this circle once the motor is tripped. So let's see how we can configure in the WinCC OA SCADA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So this in previous tutorial we already learned how we can change the color of this circle. Now I will just copy and the paste same circle, and I will change the just the color. I will put red, and the shadow color I will also put it red, and from here I will remove this configuration. Finish. Okay, now we'll configure for this circle for visibility property. Once the my trip tag is active, on that time only this should be visible. For that, come here, initialize, and change the visibility. Select from here our tag and status and the trip tag. Click OK. So once this value is true, the object is only that time will be visible, else it will hide. Click next and click over the finish. So I will bring over exactly on the top of circle, and once more I never want this should be visible normally, so I will put this property false also. So that's it. Save it. So we'll open the runtime and change the screen, and I will remove the true value that is coming from field. So as you can see, once if the pump is for example running and it's showing green, if due to trip from the field, pump will become stop, and that time the trip tag will become true. So once the trip value is true, on that time our red circle is visible. So like that, we can configure the visibility property in the WinCC OA. So Alhamdulillah, we learn how we can configure a visibility property in the WinCC OA. Thanks for watching this video.